BME Korea and SGD Youth, with support from the Ministry of Public Service, have donated solar panels to Rwamwanja refugee settlement in Kamwenge district worth $10,000. The BME Korea Executive Director believes that the refugees will benefit from this project before it's rolled out to health centers around the country in 2024.
I came here 3 months ago in order to develop the program for solar installation.
UNHCR과 보건부와 이렇게 협업을 해서 그 유엔 난민기구 그 난민촌에 방문을 했었는데,
So this project, collaborate with the Ministry of Health, Uganda, and UNHCR Uganda. We visit the Rwamwanja refugee settlement.
너무 열악한 환경에 좀 많이 놀랬고요.
I was surprised the lack of the solar and then some infrastructure.
Muruli Mukasa, the Minister of Public Service, noted the intervention will ease service delivery and help close energy gaps in health centers and schools around the country.
Now what we want is that most of these investments they are doing must actually, if it is manufacturing, let them do the manufacturing in the country, using the local resources, including the local human resource. So that whatever they do is processed up to finished product which can go to the market. And they have agreed. So today, these people have started with the solar. They have provided solar to our refugee center in Rwamwanja. It is now lit, and the secondary schools they are lit. And they have promised to expand all this throughout the country. But at least Uganda must be lit.
Kambula Milton, the Global Peace Ambassador, also coordinator SDG Youth, told Big Television the intervention is expected to improve maternal mortality indicators at the grassroots level.